first and foremost. A lot of people, happy people. I think it's the best event here.
And everyone keeps raving on about how great it is. So I had to check out what it is, and it is amazing.
When it comes to the event, it's one of the best events in the region. So that's what keeps me coming back.
Any time that you can connect, communicate and collaborate is great.
There's no sense to go to London somewhere where everybody is already doing something. I like people that are hungry.
It's so compact that you don't even need to schedule meetings. You bump into right people anyway.
I'm amazed. It is really informal, chill, Techchill.
People are friendly and people are supportive of each other, which, I don't know, I don't always see that in tech with the competition, but it seems to be more of a kind of collaborative event, which I like.
This kind of startup atmosphere experience truly making me feel that this is the right choice to make to come to this region.
The future. We are investing in the future, and the future is here.
If you're looking online and not here, next year you should come here to Riga and join us.
We'll be seeing you back here next year.
100%.